Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and today we're going to talk about the Mini-Ductor Venom HP from Induction Innovations. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP is the fourth generation of the Mini-Ductor product line. This handheld induction heater can remove seized or rusted parts made of ferrous metal from corrosion or thread lock compounds. By utilizing invisible heat generated by electromagnetic waves, induction heating tools heat only the part you want to heat, without risk of damage to surrounding areas. It's completely flameless, and the coil itself does not get hot. Induction heat is perfect for releasing bearings, brake bleeder nuts, graphics and decals, O2 sensors, corroded exhaust, and more. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP features a new bright green color, 1800 watts, 120 volts of power versus 110 volts that the original Mini-Ductor Venom had, with a 15 amp line and an 18 amp cord that delivers the needed current to the circuit design. The angled pistol grip design allows for an easier grip and access to hard to reach places. It also comes with an LED indicator light to let you know when the tool is ready for use. The coil twist lock design allows coils to be locked into place quickly and easily. There is also a shop light that can be switched on to light up the workspace. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP comes with a variety pack of coils in the box, so you can start using it right away for many different jobs. It comes with the 7/8 inch preformed coil, the 41 inch flexible bearing buddy coil, and the 23 inch U-form coil. Several other coil kits can be purchased separately to fit any length or size you need. The standard coil kit features 8 coils with different diameters, from 7/8 inch to 1 3/4 inches. The Essential Coil Kit also features 8 coils, from 3/4 inch to 1 inch. The Long Coil Kit features 8 coils up to 18 inches in length for hard-to-reach areas. The Thin Wall Coil Kit is designed for recessed lug nuts. The Bearing Buddy Coil Kit comes with the 41 inch and 96 inch coils and a heat-resistant mat, which helps extend the life of the coil. Also available is the mini pad attachment, which makes it a breeze to remove graphics, adhesives, and emblems. It also has a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. For more information on the Mini-Ductor Venom HP, visit theinductor.com. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.